Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering the perfect latch for breastfeeding. Let's see if I can get it right. In this video, you'll learn essential tips for achieving the perfect latch during breastfeeding, which is crucial for new moms. Many new moms struggle with latching, which can lead to frustration and discomfort. It's a sensitive topic, and I've been there myself. I remember the anxiety I felt when I first started breastfeeding my baby, wondering if I was doing it right, and feeling like I was failing when my baby wouldn't latch. It's a huge relief when it finally clicks, and you realize you're doing everything right. But getting to that point can be tough, and that's why I want to share these valuable tips with you. One of the biggest challenges is getting your baby to latch in the first place. You might find yourself trying different positions, different angles, and different techniques, but nothing seems to work. Or, you might get your baby to latch, but it's painful, and you're not sure if it's right. It's a common worry, and it's something I want to address in this video. I've spoken to many new moms who have felt like they're doing everything wrong, and that their baby just won't latch. But the truth is, it's not you, it's often just a matter of finding the right technique and making a few simple adjustments. So, let's dive in and explore some of the common challenges new moms face when it comes to latching. We'll explore the anatomy of a good latch, discuss common mistakes, and provide practical techniques to help you and your baby latch properly. The anatomy of a good latch is crucial to understand, as it will help you identify what's going wrong and how to fix it. When you know what to look for, you can make those small adjustments that make all the difference. A good latch starts with a comfortable and natural position for both you and your baby. This means getting your baby close to your body, with their head at the correct angle, and their mouth aligned with your nipple. It sounds simple, but it can be tricky to get right, especially if you're new to breastfeeding. One common mistake new moms make is not bringing their baby close enough to their body. This can cause strain on your back and shoulders, and make it harder for your baby to latch. Instead, try holding your baby snugly against you, with their chest pressed against yours. This will help them feel more secure and make it easier for them to find the right position. Another mistake is not supporting your breast correctly. You want to make sure your breast is supported and your nipple is pointing towards your baby's nose. This will help them latch more easily and make the whole process more comfortable for both of you. The key moment will focus on the golden rules of latching, showing you how to recognize when your baby is latched correctly. When your baby is latched correctly, you'll know it. They'll be calm, content, and feeding peacefully. You might feel a slight tug or pull, but it shouldn't be painful. If it is, then something is off, and we'll show you how to adjust. The first golden rule is to listen for the sound of your baby swallowing. When they're latched correctly, you'll hear a gentle gulping or swallowing sound as they drink your milk. This is a great indication that they're getting enough milk and that the latch is good. The second golden rule is to check for a relaxed, peaceful atmosphere. When your baby is latched correctly, they'll be calm and relaxed, and might even fall asleep while feeding. This is a great sign that they're comfortable and happy with the latch. The third and final golden rule is to check for a good seal. When your baby is latched correctly, their lips will be sealed around your nipple, and you won't see any areola showing. This is a great indication that the latch is good and that your baby is feeding effectively. To wrap up, we'll summarize the key tips for achieving a perfect latch and emphasize the importance of patience and practice. Remember, it might take a little time for you and your baby to get the hang of breastfeeding, but with patience and practice, you'll get there. If you found these tips helpful, please leave a comment below and check out our other videos for more breastfeeding advice.